Sembut Menteri Rangba beripet ya ketenat penroisor ubak seniau bahalang dhar. Habu jubab ya ke Jingkylli bala wanra da UMLA ke Maulai ubak Bright Stawell Marbanyang Halor ke Jingdro dur ha ki Surok ha main Secretariat. Menteri ula batai ba ke Jingtrekam ke longkat kum ke Geometric Design Standard na ke benta ki Surok hasor. Unong yalam ke Liang Pyrshah Dr. Mukul Sangma ula keli Jingkylli Halor kani ke juk kamat kabayday bat ke Jingpen thame bala penlong dakini ke Jingdro. Haba jubab ubat dhar ula pensyai bakani ke projek kabut ya ki kendon jong ke Indian Road Congress Court kaba khmi ya ki Geometric Design. Menteri Rangba konrad ke Sangma ula tuklar lang Halor kani kamat da ka banjor ba ki Jing Persyang jong ka Sorkar ban penduna ya ka Jing Dheng kali ha ka nong ba da ka Jing Temu ban penlong ya laipo na ka Shispa ka Jaka kum ka bamsha ya kali ka ban ailat ya ki breu ban yo ya kejat klem Jing Pentun.
To the Honourable Minister's reply to 4B, I would like to know whether the different painted colours like yellow, white, green, purple, orange, extra are permissible.
Mr. Speaker, as per road marking, as per IRC 35 standard, the color used always normally is white and yellow. But as per this ethical organization's guidebook, is different color can be used.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think my question was pertaining to adhering to the parameters, because anything that distracts the concentration of the driver, resulting in possible accidents, are to be adhered to.
Sir, based on this particular tactical urbanism guidebook by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, the interventions have been taken as per that guidebook, sir. And definitely, sir, we are going to be more extra careful. I'll take the suggestion. We will audit the whole thing. But my point being, sir, ultimately that this is being done, as I said, overall as part of the master plan. And hopefully, as per our policy, we'll be creating about 30% of the road for non-motorized transport. And from there, our intention is to create this walking space so that people can then walk. And as I said, let me assure the House that we have taken most of the areas and aspects into consideration. We'd be happy to take more suggestions if you have any, because this is for the good of the people of Shillong City.